Morning South Africa, hope you're well. It's been announced that we are set for another fuel price increase in June. Looks like R2.20 for petrol and R3 something for diesel. When is enough South Africa? When is enough? So comment and please tell me what you think about this. Tell me how has this impacted your life? Because let's be honest, this is not a 10 or 20 cent increase anymore. We're looking at far over R10 for the diesel and now bordering on R10 for petrol. So this affects every sector of every person. People's like, yo, but a majority of South Africans don't even have cars. Oh, so how do they get to work? Do they pay transport? The food they buy, do they get that via, it affects everything South Africa, and we don't even feel the long-term repercussions of it yet. You think they hurt us with COVID in 2020?